EdDoesTechEd, EdDoesTechEd.
Hi guys, so I decided to do a quick video, very quick video on the location for the ignition switch assembly for this 2006 Hyundai Sonata. There's already a video out there. I only found one for this. I thought I would try to update it, especially also without taking off this paneling. The person in the video also recommended you not do. I'll link that video as well as where I got this genuine product off of Amazon. Relatively inexpensive, actually. It's very quick to swap out. The only tool you're gonna need is your arms, hands, and a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Before you even get down there, you're going to move your key into the ignition and turn it into the on position. So not start, not ACC, but on. This is going to help you actually take out actual ignition switch. Alright, so I'm directly under the steering wheel right now. This is right here is the ignition switch. As I said before, this right here is the screw. It comes out pretty easily, not too tight. Hopefully I find out later. And there's a little clip here. You hold this little clip here down and you pull it out. And I'm gonna turn it's the on position. That's ACC. Now that's on. Now I'm able to actually wiggle. Phone's too hot, so it came out. Wiggle this out, and it comes out just like this. That's all it is. This right there is where the key goes in, and this the actual wire ending there. Alright, so apologize for the noise. So since this one, the new one, doesn't have any grease on here, I'm gonna actually put the grease that's on this one around it. That's only gonna kind of help the new one, I guess, for the contacts, making sure everything's good. The contacts looks good, it's not bent or anything. This is new out of the box, so I'm gonna just plug that one back in. This new one in. Make sure you're still in the on position. Alright, there's the hole there. We're going to be sure you line it up with this part here. And it goes straight in. The key's actually in there. I'm going to plug this in. You hear the connection was made. And then you just screw that. Lost the screw, but you put that screw back in there. And you're good to go. Test it out. Just let you guys know, I did find it. I had to hit up here a few times. So I'm gonna screw this back in and we're gonna try to start it. All right, so I put the screw back in there. Now we just tighten this. Oh, where's it? So we just tighten this back up. Simple, not tight at all. All right, now. All right, that's in there. Start it up. Really apologize, guys. My phone. This is really off the cuff. I just decided to do this, but it turns. Kind of rough a little bit, but I'm sure it'll be much better. But let's start her up. The actual turning bit actually feels a lot better than it was before. The issue I was having was it would turn and nothing would happen. I can like do it for like I get 5 minutes. I can even turn the wheel before trying to turn it on, and nothing would happen. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. Hopefully I'll be having a little bit more of these going on, but this is the actual product for the 2006. Again, very easy to swap out, very simple. YouTube is a godsend. Thank you guys for watching.